Ensuring that children have strong and healthy bones is essential for their overall growth and development. Fruits and vegetables play a crucial role in providing the necessary nutrients for bone health. Here are ways in which moms can incorporate fruits and vegetables into their children's diets to promote strong bones. Calcium rich foods. Encourage the consumption of calcium-rich fruits and vegetables. While dairy products are classic sources of calcium, some fruits and vegetables also contribute to calcium intake. Broccoli, kale, oranges, and figs are examples of plant-based foods with significant calcium content. Vitamin D-enriched fruits and veggies. Vitamin D is essential for the absorption of calcium. While the primary source of vitamin D is sunlight, certain fruits and vegetables can contribute. Include mushrooms, fortified orange juice, and fortified cereals in the diet to boost vitamin D intake. Leafy greens. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, all of which are crucial for bone health. Incorporate these greens into salads, smoothies, or as side dishes to main meals. Colorful vegetables and fruits. A colorful array of fruits and vegetables ensures a diverse range of nutrients. Bell peppers, tomatoes, sweet potatoes, and berries are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that support overall health, including bone health. Fruits with vitamin C. Vitamin C is important for collagen synthesis, a key component of bone tissue. Citrus fruits like oranges, strawberries, and kiwi are excellent sources of vitamin C. Including these fruits in snacks or as part of meals can enhance bone health. Magnesium-rich choices. Magnesium is another mineral vital for bone health. Incorporate magnesium-rich fruits and vegetables such as bananas, avocados, and nuts into the diet. These foods also contribute to overall muscle and nerve function. Phosphorus-containing foods. Phosphorus is a mineral that works alongside calcium to build and maintain strong bones. Foods like peas, lentils, and whole grains provide phosphorus. Consider incorporating these into meals to complement calcium intake. Encourage snacking on healthy options. Provide healthy snacks that include fruits and vegetables. Sliced apples with nut butter, carrot sticks with hummus, or a fruit salad are tasty options that also contribute to the child's bone health. Homemade smoothies. Create delicious and nutritious smoothies by blending a variety of fruits and vegetables. Include ingredients like yogurt, kale, banana, and berries for a tasty treat that supports bone. Important to note that while fruits and vegetables are valuable for bone health, a well-rounded diet that includes a variety of food groups, along with regular physical activity, contributes to overall well-being. Additionally, consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance based on the child's specific nutritional needs.